All right, let's check the markets. Go all the way back to Friday. Scott Crothers, it was a tough day. People got beat up on Friday. What happened?
Very tough day on Friday. The Dow lost 572 points, closed at 23,933 on concerns about the global trade and lower number for new jobs created. The economy created 103,000 new jobs in March, well below the 200,000 expected. All 11 sectors were lower, and the big exporting companies suffered the most. We were off 767 points at the low, but it was still a difficult day. For the week, we were down 0.7%, and the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury fell to 2.78%.
All right, let's get to some company news, and then we will talk about some morning this news about what's going on with the quote-unquote trade war and what Donald Trump is tweeting about. Let's first start with American Airlines. What's going on there?
Now, good news, American Airlines ordered 47 new planes from Boeing worth about $12.3 billion. This is a huge win for Boeing because American Airlines canceled an order for Airbus planes and then bought the Boeing planes. They bought two different 787s, double-aisle planes, and plan to have the first in service by 2020.
Mm-hmm. All right, that's good news for our friends up North County. Novartis is in the buying mode. What are they buying?
Right, Novartis, the Swiss drug company, is buying Avexis for $8.7 billion in cash. Avexis is a leader in gene therapy, and Novartis thinks they can leverage that business with their neuroscience business to help find cures of spinal muscular atrophy. Novartis is flush with cash after recently selling their joint venture consumer health business for $13 billion, and they're spending it on Avexis.
So it's burning a hole in their pocket. They had to go out and buy something. And then what's this new oil discovery?
Right. Now, we talk a lot about fracking and how it is changing the American energy industry and changing the global oil market. But a new discovery in Bahrain may change the landscape even more. Bahrain is a group of 30 islands in the Persian Gulf, and recently they found 80 billion barrels of tight or light oil. That is equal to Russia's entire reserves. So a group of islands just found as much oil off their shores as the entire country of Russia, which is one of the largest energy producers in the world.
Wow.
That's so crazy.
Wow. All right. Now, markets today after the tough Friday close.
Well, right now the futures of the Dow look up 200 points. Today's a light day for economic numbers, but we do get the FOMC minutes, Small Business Optimism Index, and CPI this week. We also start earnings season on Friday, and we'll get a few earnings from some of the big banks. So hopefully these numbers start coming out good, and we can turn this market around from Friday.
Scott Crothers, have yourself a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Hey, sounds great.